So which one of these action cameras gonna be better in low light? Is it Insta360 Ace Pro or Ace Pro 2? So both of these cameras have a setting that's called Pure Vide Mode, which is a setting specifically designed to shoot in low light. But since Ace Pro 2 is a newer camera, does it actually mean it's gonna be better than its previous version? And if so, is it worth to upgrade? Well, let's find out. Alright, so what do you guys think about it? I would say that in most cases it looked pretty much similar to me. But what I did notice is that Pure Vide Mode is brighter on the Ace Pro 2, which is especially noticeable in the sky and black color in general. And I think that some people may like it more because brighter, well, I guess it's better, yeah? But to me personally, I think that the darker tone from Ace Pro 1 looks better to me. And I like it that pure black color is actually black, because this is how it's supposed to look like in real life. With Ace Pro 2 footage, I think it tries to brighten up the scene a bit too much, so that black color is washed out. So while it's brighter, it doesn't actually mean that it looks better, at least in my opinion. I think it's especially noticeable in the sky. With Ace Pro 1, it's dark, exactly how it's supposed to look like. But with Ace Pro 2, for some reason, it's brownish or something. So I wish they could do something about it. So I think it would be great if they could adjust it with a firmware update. But what do you think? Which one is better? Let me know about it in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one.